Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Aging Motion Designs, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create this creative looping text animation inside of After Effects without using any third-party plugins but with the help of simple and cool tips and tricks inside of After Effects. And by the way, project files of this is available on my Patreon page. You can go and check it out from there. Link is available in the description. And if you want to learn more about motion graphics and other stuff in advance, then don't forget to check out my Udemy courses. All links are available in the description, and you can join my Motion Pro membership as well, which is just for 59 rupees. You'll get access to new videos, motion graphic tutorials, advanced After Effects tutorials, etc. etc. And it will be a support for this channel as well. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider to subscribe this channel and also hit the bell icon to get more updates. So without wasting any much more time, let's get started. So here we are in Adobe After Effects. Let's create a new composition and we are going to call it as me animation. Width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, duration is 1 minute long, and background color is black color, and simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on titles affection to get this kind of grid. Then hit Ctrl N to create another composition, and I'm going to name it as text. Width over here I'm going to choose 420 and height I'm going to choose 200 and hit OK. Then let's make this fit. We will get this kind of a composition. Then select your text and type whatever text you want. I'm going to type motion. Then go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. We have to make sure that this text should fill up this box. Okay, so I did something like that. Then I'm going to press Ctrl Y to create one wrap solid background, and I'm going to bring this downwards. Then I'll go to the main animation and I'll bring my text layer over here. Text comp. Then I'll go to the effect and this panel and I'll search for CC reptile effect and double click to apply. Then expand down, we are going to choose 2000. Expand up, we are going to choose 2000. Select this text layer, press P for position to create one keyframe. Zoom in, and then go to 5 seconds over here and hit Ctrl R to bring one ruler and try to bring this line in such a way that it should touch the bottom of this text. And then let's try to increase this value to somewhere around over here like that. Then alt click on the stopwatch and let's apply loop out expedition over here like that, and let's deselect it. So after this as well, we will get this animation in the form of loop. Then I'm going to select this text layer and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift C to pre-compose and make sure to choose move all attributes into new comp and text. I'm going to call this as text animation and hit OK. Then let's remove this line. Then go to the effect and presets panel and search for mesh warp effect and double click to apply. And rows and columns we are going to choose 2 and 2, so we will get this kind of a layer. Then zoom out. Then I'm going to select this area and this area, and with the help of arrow keys you can try to bring this totally like that. Okay, we have to bring this totally up to stretch as much as you can for in motto that this red line should touch the end of the compositions. Okay, like that. So I'm going to increase it like that. The reason why I am going to move these lines with the help of arrow keys, because it's really difficult to move these lines with the help of mouse. So that's why I'm going to choose arrow keys like that. Okay, I think this much distance is enough. Now same procedure for this handles as well. Select those by holding shift, and same with the help of arrow. I'm going to bring this totally like that. Okay. And once you see that the distance is matching, you can, let's make this fit and try to adjust the stuff like that. Okay, so this looks good. This looks good for me. Select this and let's make the quality to 20 like that. Okay, You can increase this as well if you want, but I don't think that will make anything, so let's make this 2p only. And if you go inside this and if you hit U, our animation is in the form of loop at 5 seconds. So if you go to the main animation and hit N over there, and if you check it out, this, let's make this quad resolution, and we are gonna get something like that. Obviously you can check it out in full resolution as well, but the thing is that this will take a little bit time to load. So let's make this quality 2 for now, so it will not take too much time to get load like that. Okay, now let's go inside this text and let's remove this, hide this background. So if we check it out, this we will get something like that. Now let's select this text animation layer, and I'm going to hit Ctrl D to duplicate it, and let's go to around for 10 frames, and let's move this over here like that. Or you can take a gap of 5 frames as well, and let's move this over here. Hit Ctrl D, go to 5 frames forward with the help of open square bracket, move this over here. Hit Ctrl D, go 5 frames forward, and let's move this over here. Now select this fourth layer, go to the effect and presets panel and search for fill effect and double click to apply. Select this, go to an effect and presets panel, choose green color over here like that. Select this third layer, go to the fill options and let's choose blue color like that. Select this layer, hit Ctrl D again, and let's try to bring this to 20 frames. Select this second layer, apply fill effect, and let's choose black color over here like that. Okay, now let's select this to go over here and hit B for bringing this timeline over here. Now after 5 seconds, I will go 20 frames forward over here and we will hit N over here. Okay, so after that we will get this in a form of loop. So let's make this photo resolution so we can see this whether it is in the form of loop or not. Yes, it is like that over here. Now let's make this bit. Now after that I'm going to select this topmost layer, which is this white color, and hit Ctrl D, and let's enable this layer only. Go to the effect and presets and search for find edge effect and double click to apply and invert this layer, and let's deselect this. Select this and press F4 and let's choose screen maybe like that. And with the help of arrow keys, I'm going to bring this a little bit over here like that. Again, hit Ctrl D, and with the help of arrow keys, I'm going to bring this a little bit over here like that. Okay, so we will get something like that. Now press Ctrl Y to create one solid background and try to bring this downwards. Select this last 3 layers and go to the blending mode and let's choose multiply, or let's try to add screen maybe like that. Okay, so you will get this kind of stuff, or if you want then you can choose normal as okay. And let's make this quad resolution so we can see it's moving properly because it is in full resolution. That's why we are getting the strippy effect. Now select this topmost layer, which is I think not topmost but this layer which contains this text, and let's choose quality to 20. Okay, so if you check it out, this over here, now it's proper smooth. Initially when the quality was 2 over here, we are getting this kind of a patches, but sooner you increase the quality it will become a smoother. Okay, and you should apply, if you want then you can apply that quality standard to this one as well as to this one. Okay, like that, and let's make this fit like that. So this is how you can create this kind of a triple text animation inside of After Effects.